Okay, this is the Gas Forge Mark 1. It's about 20 inches long, about 3.5 inch diameter, burn chamber. I got a little homemade torch, used a big tip, pretty standard. A high pressure valve, adjustable valve for the gas tank. My idea was to make knives and blades, swords, whatever with this. I also got a little thing in the back here I can open up if I need something really long in there, heat the middle of it. However, this forge does not work well. I made it all out of cheap scrap I had, but the idea of having a nice, long, thin, efficient forge was a nice idea, but the burn chamber is too small, and if it's on low, it blows flames out like a candle, and if you turn it up really high, you can almost get a little jet action coming out of the front. So, having learned that, I'm going to dismantle this, salvage the scrap what I can. This may make excellent landfill. And I'm going to reuse the frame and stand for my forge, Gas Forge Mark II, which will come up in another video. I'll do a little demo here. I'm going to do a little demo so I don't burn my eyebrows. Let's see here. Turn it on here. Oh yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah, there's a flame coming out of there. You can't see it. But there's a flame coming out about here. About here where my finger is. Okay, I just shut it off, but anyway, that's the issue. All that heat blows out and it makes the room really hot, which is okay in the winter, but in the summer and spring and fall, it's just, I'm wasting gas to heat the room. I've got scrap firewood, I can heat the room for free. Anyway, say goodbye to Mark 1 Forge. It's going to be replaced.